Dude, the whole back's been shaved.
There's muddy in this car.
Alright guys, well, it's actually idling pretty good. So if you guys are curious how that work I did, it actually runs a lot better. It's good. And a lot of you guys are telling me it's not cold in California. It's literally ice. It does not do that very often. So it's cold. I'm a California kid. I get cold easy. I don't care. I'm a wimp. It's cold. I have a heater now, so that's cool. Hopefully it works. Maybe you guys know, but for whatever weird reason, when I actually turn the fan on in this thing and turn the heater on, it just, like the blower motor, like if I turn this on, you give it like 30 seconds and then the car will just run like crap out of nowhere. I don't know if it's the voltage load from the blower motor or what's actually going on, but when I turn the blower motor on for the heater, it starts running terribly. I don't know why. Bro, what the heck? What? You just ditched that lady. What are you doing? I'm so confused. You need a ride? What the hell? Wow, it runs so much better. I can't even like tell you guys. Timing, man. Put timing in your cars. Check your timing every once in a while. You might be surprised at what you find. You also might be surprised if you take your valve cover out to find double valve springs and a bunch of nice parts. So you never know. But today should be pretty fun. So I'm actually headed right now down to Heat Shield Products. The same guys did the install on the Galaxy with all the heat protected stuff. So I'm gonna head down there, do an interview with them. They wanted to kind of cover a couple products for their videos and their series. You guys should actually check out their YouTube channel, Heat Shield Products. They have a bunch of cool videos on the products themselves, and they have a full video on the install that we did on the Galaxy, which is pretty cool, as well as my truck. Pretty underrated channel, a lot of great knowledge on there, and actually shows you a lot of the products and how it all works and the science behind it and how to install it all. So if you guys are ever curious, check out their YouTube channel, Heat Shield Products. But with that being said, we're heading down to Heat Shield Products right now, so I'll catch you guys up when we get there. All right, just rolled up to Heat Shield Products. Fox kind of being weird. I don't know what it is. Every once in a while I'll be driving, then my voltage kind of drops low, and then it starts bucking and banging and popping and won't go anywhere. And then I'll have to like floor it to get it to go anywhere, and then it still doesn't go and it pops and bangs some more, and then I don't know where it has all the power again. So I don't know why it's doing that. It's really weird. I think I have a loose wire or ground or connection somewhere. I gotta figure that out. But nevertheless, we're at Heat Shield Products. We're gonna walk inside, check out what they got going on. Got a couple new products, which is pretty cool. And probably get a couple things with Fox while we're here. So yeah. Dang, turbo blankets? Header blankets? I didn't know that was a thing. Dang, that's pretty cool. Oh, there you go. So you have all the header protection right here. Even down to an American one. That's pretty sick. I didn't know you could do that. All right, guys, what's going on? My name is Craig LaPresti. I run the Craig909 YouTube channel. And today, I'm gonna tell you guys how I actually make my truck survive. All right, just picked up some swag from Heat Shield Products. We got a little battery cover thing we're gonna throw on the Foxbody here. See if it fits. All right, now that's a park job.
Doesn't fit, it's too long.
Nice. That's an expensive shake. Man, that's just A1. Nice.
A1 paint.
God, look how much tinier this thing is. All right, well, we just got back from Heat Shield. Filmed the podcast, or not necessarily podcast. We have filmed the podcast, but we were filming a video on a couple of products down there. I actually told a little interview story about myself. So you guys are curious, you want to watch that, I definitely recommend it. It's a really funny video. They'll have it on the YouTube channel the next week or so. Subscribe to Heat Shield Products' YouTube channel. Definitely look out for that video. It should be out in the next week or so. But on the way home, it was doing that same bucking thing that it was doing. Charging voltage was just all sorts of out of whack. It was doing a bunch of really weird things. And what I noticed with this car is when we went to ride in that Corvette, we went to that Cars and Coffee in the morning and I did my first initial pull. It was in the video where it was cutting out and bucking. I basically punched it and it didn't go anywhere. Well, that was what it was doing. I did it again, and then when I came home, I basically checked my TPS and it read 2.3 volts. Now, if your TPS reads way over a volt and it's up into the 2 to 5 volt range, you have an open circuit. There's a voltage series that's not being grounded somewhere. So what I ended up doing was basically looking around all of the wires, trying to figure out where the open circuit was. So I'm basically grabbing wires and moving them while everything's on. I can hear the fuel pump is on and trying to see when I hear a voltage change because I had a voltmeter on it. So I put my hand on my chassis to engine ground, or one of them, that's up on the top of the intake manifold, that one that goes from my upper intake to the cowl of the car for whatever weird reason. So that, for whatever reason, that engine ground, very weak, a really old braided wire cable. I grabbed it and turned it a little bit and everything went perfect to where it was supposed to be. TPS is right just at 0.98 volts, which is exactly where I want it. Alternator went right back up, charging at 14.5 where it should be. Everything is flawless. So if you have the similar issue as me, definitely be sure to go ahead and check your grounds, because that was actually my issue. So now you know, but now it's fixed. All right, guys, what's going on? So it's the next morning. We're gonna go up to the South OC Cars and Coffee at San Clemente. Gonna take the Foxbody, meet up with Sam, have a good time. So let's head up there. We're already pretty late, so let's get to it. Making me drive all the way over here for $5 gas.
$3.69 for me.
Yeah, well, it's alright. You probably get like 12 miles to the gallon with that $3 fuel.
Yeah, I do.
Yeah.
Still better than paying $5 a gallon.
Yeah, well, I get 19 miles to the gallon now. I checked it. I'm pretty happy with that. Hey, you know what they say, man? You can't have dirty garbage. Also, this Griot stuff smells incredible. It smells like, I don't know, like, it smells like good. Oh, it's gonna flick crap everywhere. We got donuts! Oh yeah, that tire shine went all over everything. Nice. Love that. Did you get kicked out like immediately or pushed to the side?
Yeah.
Like right when they roll up, he like stares at the front of my car, which is the only bad thing about this car. And he's immediately just like he looks at me, he's just like that way. And I'm like, oh, what the hell, man? So I just go around and come over here.
Oh, you just
He
went around?
was trying to shove me over in the back lot.
Okay.
It's like, okay, you can just tell me it's ugly.
Mine's hit or miss. Sometimes I get pushed over.
It's alright, I just went around, came here. I don't know why the point was. Alright, there we go. If you guys haven't seen, I went ahead and I did most of the top half of this thing. I actually put a real cold air in it, and then I changed the valve covers out, put some roller rockers in it, kind of went over everything again. Changed the throttle body out, put a new hardware in it. It's coming out pretty good, so getting there. Dang, guy. Big turbo guy. Oh, let's see these door cars, bro.
Yeah.
So you made that, huh?
Yep.
Damn.
Perfect favorite.
And that's actual carbon, right?
Yep.
I don't think there's any Subaru Outbacks with real carbon in the doors.
Probably not.
No, I don't think so.
They don't sell those pieces.
Ooh, I like this too. You're gonna have to show me how to make this so I can do it on mine. So I like that a lot. Oh, even over there. Man. Yeah, if you want to watch any of this stuff, is it SW Speed now?
SW Speed, yeah.
SW Speed on YouTube shows you how to do all that stuff. So go check out his channel. Oh, I love this. This is like my favorite thing here. The color combo I like a lot. Damn. F350 Banks turbo kit and a gear benders. Nice. Only 35,000 miles on it. On the new 7.3. Dude, that's sick.
It's pristine.
The whole thing's pristine.
Oh my god, it's beautiful.
I want it. I want it. Daily. Damn, that thing's huge. Oh my god. Damn.
Yeah.
That's a V6, baby.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
Yeah.
I seen this extra pipe right here, and I thought it was a cylinder.
Damn. It's one of Sean's dream cars that I can't fit in. I mean, I might fit in it. It's got a pretty flat floor in it.
Won't.
I'm only 6'2", I'm not that tall. Dude, I love Chasers. This thing's actually super clean too. It's so clean, dude. Even the back.
Full interior.
Yeah, full interior.
Fitment is on point.
It's probably his daily, to be honest. I would daily that.
Hell
It's
of a
even got all
daily.
the inspection stickers on the back still.
That's so sick.
Dude, it's an all stock Supra. With the twin still on it.
I don't like how beautifully stock this one is, yet still turbo.
I know. Well, they come factory twin
reliable.
turbo.
What the hell?
Dang, it's got two-piece headers, yeah. Dang, you have to get this car high in the air to pull those out. There's another dream.
So,
God, working on this car must suck. So that one is the 1,000 horsepower stereotype Supra.
it actually does.
The funny thing is, it's basically telling me that makes this Corvette like slow. Like that thing's way faster.
Oh yeah, I know that.
So yeah, that's cool. Look at these. Oh my gosh. And then an old Superformance. Think if I was gonna have a Porsche, it'd be all tracked out like that. That's so sick. Oh, that's cool. I like that. Damn, that thing is sick. It's got all the aero on it, the big wang gang, big functional wang gang. Nice. I don't know what any of these cars are because I drive 90s shitboxes. Dang, big time attack guy. Holy crap. Look at the aero on this thing. I actually like white wheels a lot. I would run them on my Foxbody.
Oh god, you gotta clean them like every day.
Yeah, I know. They're really hard to clean. Well, I already have cleaned my wheels every day.
Damn.
355 Brilliantetta, gated. These are cool. It's like the only like achievable, realistic, under $100,000 manual mid-engine Ferrari that doesn't totally suck. Those are cool. I like these. It's gotta be slammed on wheels though. I remember seeing this on another Cars and Coffee. 408 twin turbo. I'm pretty sure it's a full tube chassis. So this is literally like a Foxbody style throttle body. It has one TBS sensor, and he doesn't have another one. See how it's missing a TBS sensor? So it only uses one, but it's got twin throttle bodies, and I bet you the throttle linkage is just open to the other one, and it doesn't. It only takes a TPS reading off of one throttle body.
Yeah,
it's kind of weird. Damn, look at this Calypso Bronco on Alcoas. That is a seriously nice Bronco. Oh my gosh. Damn, that is really nice. It's on the Volks. It's the big bad Mama Jamma. Of course, he doesn't have his head open. Hey, John, you gotta wash your car. Lost Sean, and then of course I figured out where he'd be. Man, this one looks just like yours. Damn, those are old tires. Damn, these are the same wheels that are on my Galaxy, but they're just polished. Damn. Shaved handles, look, the whole side of the car is shaved. Oh my god, that dash. Wow. Dude, the whole back's been shaved. No trunk lock, no trim, no taillights.
There's money in this car.
Dude, there's a lot of just body modifications.
Look at how clean the black paint is on. It's a speck of orange paint in this entire car.
Yep. One day. You know the craziest thing about this car? It's actually finished. I don't know how to do that.
No, nor do I.
Imagine finishing a project.
I've never done it.
Never have, probably never will. We'll just keep buying more. Alright guys, just like that, we're back home. So it's been a little scramble of videos and content here. I've actually taken a few weeks off to focus on school, so that's kind of why you guys haven't seen some uploads. I'm actually getting back on the engine. You'll have the next video after this one will be a full update on the engine. We threw some pistons in there, got a couple more measurements, and actually tore the whole thing down again to get it relined home for the girdle. So you guys can see that in the next video. Hope you guys are stoked. Hope you guys went on to enjoy this video. I am going to start making videos, pick back up hopefully on a normal schedule again here very, very soon. So stay tuned for that. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Like the video if you did enjoy it. It would really mean a lot to me with YouTube's algorithm because it sucks. With that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.